Mother of Carmel, pray for me. I want to live and love like thee. Mother of Carmel.
Hello, friends. We are sure you would have enjoyed the episodes of our feast celebrations. We, ex-Carmelites, would like to wish you a happy feast celebrations to all of you out there. Firstly, we would like to thank Principal, Sister Renuka, lovely sisters, teachers, and all dear staff for showering their love on us even after completing school and giving us an opportunity to be a part of it. We are celebrating Quarantine Feast by showing hope, love, and peace in our unique way. What is hope? Hope is a light which can be seen despite of darkness. And once you choose hope, nothing is impossible. We at Mount Carmel School were taught to keep peace, be loving, and always be hopeful. So let us watch the video. Hope you all like it. May God bless us all.
ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या बेकाटे बिखरे अगर उस पे तो फिर भी चलना ही है। शाम छुपा ले सूरज मगर रात को एक दिन ढलना ही है। रुत ये टल जाएगी, हिम्मत रंग लाएगी, सुबह फिर आएगी। ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे रुके। मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या, तन्हा ये दिल तो क्या
She's been suffering from cancer from quite some time now. So when I went inside, I saw that she was wearing the loose pajamas and she was in the hospital bed, and there was this turban jauntily perched on her head, and she was wearing the brightest red lipstick ever. And when I saw her, I was like, "Hi, have I forgotten on something? Your birthday, I'm so sorry." And she was like, "No, no, no, it's not my birthday. I'm wearing this lipstick because I just wanted to feel good." And that day I realized your lipstick, your earrings, your dress, it doesn't talk about your inner beauty. But this is how the world sees us. So when we are wearing the danglings or we're doing a lipstick, it's our way of telling to the world that, hey, there's a lot of hope left in me. So even if my life is in a mess, I can handle it. Thank you so much, but I'm not going to give up on life at all.
I'm just a dwelling in the soulful world. I'm just a dwelling in the soulful world, where stays my longing for belonging to one and all. I'm just a dwelling in the soulful world.
People call it ray of hope. Hope, hope, life moves on. Hope that never ceases. Hope that never passes into nothingness. Hope that increases each meal. A warmth that lives within forever.
We need to wake up. We need to wise up. We need to open our eyes and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now.
Make it greener, make it cleaner, make it last, make it fast, and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now.
No point in waiting or hesitating. We must get wise, take no more lies and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. We're on a planet that has a problem. We've got to solve it, get involved and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. Make it greener, make it cleaner, make it last, make it fast and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now.
We have hope that we will carry the love that shines. We have hope that we will find peace on the other side.
We have hope that we won't fall for reapers on the way. We have hope that we will come out on the right side.
We have hope that we will bid our negativity a farewell, and we have hope that we will find tranquility in our own being.
दुनिया सर पे डाले है ये दुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नू मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इससे झूमने दे अपनी बीच से। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रा नू छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे फिक्रा नू छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नू नचने दे।
सपनों को भाई न अखियां ख्वाबों ने संग छोड़ दिया, लहरों को भाई न नदियां दोनों ने रुख मोड़ लिया। सपनों को भाई न अखियां ख्वाबों ने संग छोड़ दिया, लहरों को भाई न नदियां दोनों ने रुख मोड़ लिया। चीर के यूं फूलों का आंचल कांटों ने ही दोष दिया, रे पगले माना सफर पे तेरे राहों ने अफसोस किया। यकीन रख ग्रहण हटेगा, ज़मीं पर गगन चलेगा, तेरी आहुति दे तुझको तभी ये जीवन चलेगा। यकीन रख ग्रहण हटेगा, ज़मीं पर गगन चलेगा, तेरी आहुति दे तुझको तभी ये जीवन चलेगा। जीत तेरी दो बाहें हैं, चल तो थाम ले उंगली दोनों की, बढ़ा तेरी हिम्मत के हौसले, हर राहत के तू क्यों आसानों की। वो बंजर लफ्जों को घसीट कर जिंदा पन्नों पे रख दे, ही मसीहा मंजिल का मंजिल के माथे पर लिख दे। यकीन रख ग्रहण हटेगा, ज़मीं पर गगन चलेगा, तेरी आहुति दे तुझको तभी ये जीवन चलेगा। यकीन रख ग्रहण हटेगा, ज़मीं पर गगन चलेगा, तेरी आहुति दे तुझको तभी ये जीवन चलेगा।
खुद से ज्यादा दूसरों की फिक्र करना सिखाता है कामल। अपने आप में ही कामल एक सोच है, क्योंकि कामल नूर ए कामल है, एक दास्तान है जो हर एक कामलाइट में छिपी है। एक डरी हुई सहमी हुई लड़की को इंडिपेंडेंट बनना उसे स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है कामल, क्योंकि वो एक सोच नहीं एक जज्बा है, खुद में ही एक खूबसूरत एहसास है वो, जो शायद हर एक कामलाइट में दिखता है। प्रोग्राम्स में जब वो कुछ बोल रहे हो तो उनमें वो जो एक कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, ये है कामल। क्योंकि कामल कोई एक इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं, एक एहसास है, एक फीलिंग है जो हर एक कामलाइट में है, एक टीचर में है जो कामल में पढ़ाता है, हर उस एक्स कामलाइट में है जो इस स्कूल से पास आउट हुआ है। क्योंकि कामल खुद में एक एहसास है, जब कोई अपना टूटा हुआ हो तो उन्हें किस तरीके से उन्हें खड़ा करना चाहिए, ये है कामल।
Let your hopes and not your hurts shape the future. Have hope in God because our God is forever with us.
A tribute to my school, which has been in our family through generations. It's a tribute of love, faith in the institution, my very own Mount Carmel. It's given us generations from my aunt, my mother-in-law, my very own mom, my sister-in-law, my sister who resides now in USA, my nephew's wife who's a new member in my family, our 3 generations, my mom-in-law, my daughter who just passed out from the school, our faith, our hope in the school.
Mother of Mount Carmel, bless your children gathered here. Mother of Mount Carmel, bless your children gathered here.
It is rightly said, endings always mark new beginnings. Mother Mary had to see her son die before she could see her son alive forever. Endings always bring a new ray of hope, a new ray of success, a new ray of determination. So, as we come to the end of this program, I, Yana Gamadia, being the assistant school people leader of the school, would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal, Sister Renuka, our manager, Sister Meena, all the sisters, teachers, parents, students, and all the participants, as well as all the ex-Carmelites who helped and cooperated with us during the entire program. I would also like to thank Vedant Agrawal sir, who helped us with the editing of the videos. At the end, I would like to thank all our subscribers and viewers who showed a lot of love and support towards our videos. Thank you for your love, support and appreciation. It means a lot to us. It is said, it takes just a minute or a moment to judge a person, but it takes a lot of courage and efforts to appreciate the work done by others. Thank you for your love, appreciation and support that you have shown to us.